Imagine a dog in a spacesuit, floating in zero gravity. The future of space exploration is here, and it's wilder than you think. As humans continue to push the boundaries of space travel, we're not just thinking about how to keep ourselves safe, we're also considering our furry friends. That's right. Space suits for animals are becoming a reality. And it's not just about looking cool. It's about making sure they can survive in the harsh conditions of space. So, what makes a spacesuit for animals so special? Well, first of all, it needs to be able to withstand the extreme temperatures of space, which can range from 270 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than your freezer and hotter than your oven, all at the same time. The suit also needs to provide oxygen, which is essential for any living creature, and protect the animal from harmful radiation. It's like a force field, but instead of being invisible, it's a physical barrier that keeps the animal safe. One of the biggest challenges in designing spacesuits for animals is figuring out how to make them comfortable. I mean, think about it. Animals come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny mouse to the massive elephant. Each species has its own unique needs and requirements, so the spacesuit needs to be tailored to fit their specific body shape. It's like trying to find the perfect pair of jeans, but instead of just looking good, it's a matter of life and death. As scientists continue to work on perfecting spacesuit design for animals, they're also learning more about how these creatures adapt to space travel. For example, did you know that some animals can actually sleep in zero gravity, while others get motion sickness? It's fascinating stuff, and it's helping us to better understand how to keep them safe and healthy in space. The possibilities are endless, from training animals to perform tasks in space to even using them as companions for long-duration missions. So let's dive into the design process of spacesuits for animals. It's a lot more complex than you might think, because we're not just scaling down a human spacesuit. We need to consider the animal's body shape, size, and physiology. For example, a spacesuit for a dog would need to be completely different from one for a cat, or even a bird. The materials used would also vary, depending on the animal's sensitivity to certain textures or temperatures. One of the biggest challenges is creating a spacesuit that allows the animal to move freely and comfortably. We're talking about animals that are used to running, jumping, and flying, so we need to make sure they can still do those things in space. That means designing a suit that's flexible, yet still provides protection from the harsh conditions of space. It's a delicate balance, but one that's crucial for the animal's safety and well-being. As we continue to explore the possibilities of space travel for animals, we're learning more about what works and what doesn't. We're testing new materials, new designs, and new technologies that can help us create the perfect spacesuit for each species. It's an exciting time, and one that could lead to some amazing breakthroughs. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll have animals joining us on missions to Mars and beyond. If you want to learn more about the future of space travel, be sure to check out our next video where we'll be exploring the latest developments in intergalactic exploration and what it means for humanity.